is often cliched in Igbo that Onya Juju Anare Fuezi or Uzu, okay? Meaning he who asks questions do not get lost. So in today's video, we are going to learn about different directions in Igbo language and how to use them and how to say them correctly, okay? Good. Manatufu anye bido nkuzi nke taa. Ndị be anyị nọ. Hello guys, afam bụ Ntuziaka. My name is Ntuziaka, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely. You are all welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, I want to thank you for stopping by. I promise you a truckload of fun. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for your support. Thank you for always watching my videos, okay? And please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell beside it so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Thank you. Even nebe anya tata Ntuziaka. Ntuziaka. Nke ndị oyibo kpọ direction, okay? Direction onwe ndị na-akpụ ya Imaatu. Nwekwa ndị na-akpụ ya Nduzi. Nwekwa ndị na-akpụ ya Ntuziaka. Mana nke ọbụla ị kpọrọ inwetele ya. Anyone you choose, you are still correct, okay? Malumatu. Direct me to so place, depending on where you are going. Malumatu. Ebonokad. Direct me to the church. The first on our list today is Enu up. Enu up. For example, Enu Ugwu, up the sky, you know, the heavens. Enu Ugwu. The second one is Ana, down. Ana, down. For example, Biko nolo ana. Biko nolo ana. Please sit down. Biko, please. Nolo, sit. Then down. Ana. Please sit down. The second example is Biko nanya nana. Please look down. Biko, please nanya, look. Nanya, look. Down. Ana. Biko nanya nana. Please look down. Okay? So we have Enu nana. Up and down. Okay? The next on our list is on top. Nenu. On top. Nenu. Okay? Example. Biko devie nenu oche. Devie nenu oche. Please put it on the chair. Devie nenu oche. Okay? That is nenu, on top. The next one is Okpulu. Under. Okpulu. Under. Chonya Okpulu akwa. Chonya Okpulu akwa. Search for it under the bed. Remember when we did aqua, household items in Igbo language? Okay, I'll leave the link in the description so you can get the video. I think it's about 25, I think, no, or 30 thereabouts objects in Igbo, objects in the household objects in Igbo language. Okay, good. Okpulu, under. Chonya Okpulu akwa. Chonya Okpulu akwa. Look for it under the bed. Okay? The next one is beside. N'akuku. 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 Anita bi n'akuku banyi. Anita lives beside our house. The next one is in front. Niru. In front, niru. For example, niru uno akwụkwọ nwam, in front of my child's school. Niru uno akwụkwọ nwam, in front of my child's school. Niru, in front. Uno akwụkwọ, school. Nwam, my child. Okay? The next one is n'azụ, behind or at the back. Bebe dị n'azụ n'ụka. Bebe di n'azụ n'ụka. Their house is behind the church. Their house is behind the church. Bebe di n'azụ n'ụka. Bebe, their house, di, is at the back. N'azụ or behind. N'ụka, the church. Okay? So their house is behind the church. Beve dinazo noka. I remember doing something on D. I'll still leave the link in the description so you can get a video too. Beve dinazo noka. Their house is behind the church. Okay? The next one is center. Etiti. Etiti. Okay? Etiti. Center. Etiti or mafia. At the center of the market. Etiti avia. At the center of the market. Okay? Etiti. Center. Okay? Good. The next one is east. The east. Owuwa anyanwụ. Owuwa anyanwụ. I also have a video on this, but I think the video is about seasons, times in Igbo language. Seasons, times in Igbo society. But still, I will leave the link in the description so you can get it, okay? Very educative. Yeah. Lots of things we do not know about our society. So, the east, Owuwa anyanwụ. Owuwa anyanwụ, the east, okay? Then we come to the west. And the west, Odida anyanwụ. The west, Odida anyanwụ. Then the south, Nleda anyanwụ. Then the north, we have Olile anyanwụ. Olile anyanwụ. The next one is left. Ekpe. Left. Ekpe. Ekpe. Just so you know, all the lefties are called Ekpe. Ekpe. No one name Ekpe. This person is a lefty. Just so you know. The right. Akanni. So left. Ekpe. Right. Akanni. Okay? Good. The next one is turn right. Shinakanni. Shinakanni. Turn right. Okay? Or Gavanakanni. Turn right. Now turn left. Shinakekbe. Shinakekbe. Inugo. Turn left. Okay? So we have Shinakanni for turn right. Then Shinakekbe for turn left. Okay? Gava kanni mobu. Gava akekbe. Okay? Good. The next one is look to your right. Nanya na kannigi. Nanya na kannigi. Look. Nanya na kanni. Right. Ge. You. But in this sentence, it becomes your. Okay? Look to your right. Nanya na kannigi. Now look to your left. Nanya na kekbe gi. Nanya, look. Na kekbe. Your left. Okay? Gi. Nanya na kannigi or nanya na kekbe gi. Look to your right or look to your left. Okay? Good. The next one is straight ahead. Gavaniru. Gavaniru. Straight ahead of you, okay? Straight ahead. Gavaniru. Straight ahead. Gavaniru. Okay? The next one is towards. You know, towards your place. Odinuzo. Da. Towards the hospital. Odinuzo unogu. Towards the school. Odinuzo unahuko. Towards Odinuzo. Okay? The next one is Uptown. Uptown. Enu. Okay? Uptown. Remember when I said Enu is up. Okay? Enu. Uptown. Then we have downtown. Downtown. Obodo. Obodo for downtown. Enu for uptown. The next on our list is highway. Okay? Highway. Oyibo. Oyibo. Highway. You know, I think it's one of my favorite words in Igbo. Oyibo. Good. The next on our list is Enu Ugwu. Enu Ugwu. Uphill. still remember Enu? Yes, Enu Ugwu. Enu Ugwu, uphill. Remember we have Enu for up, then Ugwu, hills or mountain. So we have Enu Ugwu, uphill, okay? The next on our list is far, okay? Like a place is far, a particular place is far. Otaaka. Otaaka is far. Now let me ask a question. Okay, let me ask a question. Is the place far? Ebe anwa otele aka. You see? Ebe anwa otele aka. Unu ụka anwa otele aka. Is the church far? Is the market far? Abia anwu otele aka. Otekwe na aka. It is not that far. It is not far. Otere aka. So we have far as otaaka. Okay, the next one is near or close. Nso or nso, it's very close. Or nso. Now the question is this: Unu ụka anwu otele aka. Is the church far? Mba. No. Or nso is very close. Nso, near or close. Otaaka, far. Okay? The next one is here. Eba. Eba. Or nka. Nka. Okay? But I prefer nka because that is what we speak in my place. Nka or ika. Here. Here. Nka or ika. But some say eba or ebe. Either of this is still correct, but I prefer nka. Okay? Anyone that will hear me say nka automatically know where I'm from. That's the beautiful thing about Igbo language. The diversity is indeed beautiful. Yeah, all shades of Igbo language, but they have the same meaning, okay? Igbo amakakwan. Okay, man. So here, nka or ika or ebe or eba. Inugo? And last but not the least is intersection. That is what we call junction, okay? Junctions. Junctions. We have 2, 3, 4, 5 corner junction, okay? That is different directions meeting at a particular junction. That is the intersection, okay? However, we call it uzo gbalu or ezi gbalu. You now mention the number of directions that particular junction leads to. So it will be ezi gbalu ebo 2, ezi gbalu eto, ezi gbalu eno, ezi gbalu ise, or thereabout. It depends on the number of different paths that particular junction leads to. There is a 3-corner junction not far from my house, so we call that ezi gbalu eto 3-corner junction, okay? That is 3 different directions meeting at a particular junction. That is the intersection, okay? So we end today's video on this note. Ejim n'aka na nkuzi nke taa nwere ulu ọbalụ gị. Afam ka bụkwa Ngozika. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Call the no gozo.